Hello friend, we're going to try and assess some new ball screws from TBI that are supplied by Fred from BST Automation.
Seem to be wrapped in some kind of old tarp type material. Okay, well that's the sum total of the packaging, which is worrying. Where the ball nut is, the packaging's obviously had a bit of a ruffling, which kind of corresponds to that sort of thing. Check out that grease. It's not unbelievably clean looking. Feels nice and smooth though. And just listen to that noise. There isn't really any. Got a nice rusty angle plate that's just blocking to stop the screw action moving that way with the ball bearing in the center. You can see a very small amount of pressure deflects the screw by a reasonable amount, and that's even with this 32mm ball screw. So let's see how steadily I can rotate this. High points on the label there. Low point. It's the other side. Okay, well let's test this itself. So the nut is pretty good. Got an unforeseen problem in that this side of the flange doesn't actually appear to be ground, whereas this side is nice and ground.
Now this is only a potential problem because of the weird rotating ball nut attachment point I have on this CNC build. You can check that out in the previous video. But luckily it's looking as if there's very little run out on this side of the flange either anyway.
Normally you'd want to test this area, but as this is a fixed ball screw and a rotating nut, the precision of that relative to the thread's not really important.
Just for fun, let's have a look at one of the 5mm pitch ones that I'm kind of rejecting. You saw them here, the nut has to rotate too fast on this finer pitch. I know this screw's got quite a big deflection in it. In fact, it's hard to measure because it goes beyond the range of the indicator I'm using. It's more than 1 millimeter. Here is the other TBI ball screw. This one seems a little bit better. Its run out seems to be about 0.15 millimeters, something like that. And again, the nut itself seems to spin very true to the screw. And the flange, even on the unground side that I'll be mounting to, is also very true. So this leaves me with questions, and I'll be super grateful for your advice. Are these screws straight enough? Am I testing them in completely the wrong way? Should I be looking into straightening them somehow? Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.